homemade Play-Doh recipe. Let's get started.
The recipes are flour, water, cream of tartar, vegetable oil, and salt.
Let's do it.
What is it?
Beginning.
Flour.
First flour. Flour.
I don't know.
Flour.
Salt.
Nah.
Vegetable
I
oil.
get.
Cream of tartar.
Let's vote which one.
Flour. It's flour first, because it's not going to do all vegetable oil. Salt.
Flour.
Okay, flour.
And let's say together.
Let's go. Everything. Oh!
4 cups of flour.
Four cups of flour. Now it's time to add salt. 2 cups of salt. That's it. Ooh, that's good. Smell like flour then? And kind of smells like a little sugar.
Yeah.
That's sugar. And it looks like snow. All your time.
And chicken.
Cream of tart. Oh, there's more oil. Oh my god. It's smoke coming out from it. Oh, that's all I want. I'm gonna add water.
No, only got
All I wanted is the thing. You eat. Oh my god, a lot of dust. It's bubbly.
But the next steps are for grown-ups only.
Yep, I'm gonna go cook it and we'll be back.
Okay guys, my mom has finished cooking the Play-Doh. Looks like real Play-Doh, feels like real Play-Doh, smells like real Play-Doh. Give a thumbs up for one recipe homemade Play-Doh.
Now we need to add these in the bag and then add food coloring.
I made mine like this so you could get a perfect touch to pancakes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel.
I'm gonna use the green color. Like
Pink one, Anna.
I'm gonna use some yellow for the super.
What about you, Cassie?
light blue.
Light blue. Okay. Let's go.
Light blue is good.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
The Play-Doh turns out to be super good. It's a little bit stretchy like Play-Doh.
It's just handmade.
And you can do this, make it do this. You can make it a wall.
crazy.
And then you can make it all
This Mama. Mama.
Oh no! Don't mix it!
What are you doing, Anna?
I put that.
I'm gonna
Star?
try this
That.
Nice star.
Ta-da! I made a moon,
I made the magic.
in the
What do
middle.
you make?
In the moon, I made the
Masjid.
magic. I made the magic.
Masjid,
And
moon,
moon and
star,
star.
cloud, and camel. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
What are you making, Arita?
Oh, the magic. No, make it
So far it's a cloud and then the last thing that I'm going to be adding in is a camel walking through.
Oh.
There's
With,
two camels.
Just come
And you got
a
started?
person
Just wait.
with a person riding
Oh.
it.
You're making a
Sounds
desert.
like you're making the same thing too.
I know, why just copy me? But you just
I
add
mean,
a
it looks like you're
This
making
is
the
a
same thing.
person. I add a person on it.
I want to put it there. I think it is.
Can I make you a small and small
Oh no,
ball.
I'm not making
It
it.
says
And
small
you?
ball. I'm making sock.
Guys,
It's
I'm making
sock.
guys.
Shark.
I'm making
A head sock.
Big shark.
A
Okay.
Sonic head sock.
Okay. Say guys bye.
adding like sand, like sand and a little bit of water over here. 2D.
What? Water?
At the end of here.
Like where like a beach is.
The dazzle! Bye guys! Today, this was an awesome experience that Ryan made with his homemade Play-Doh recipe. And it was fun. I'm gonna keep this, and if it dries, I'm gonna make another one.